yesterday.
Alright, here's what we got going on today. We are installing an approximately 15 by 30 pond here at Water's Edge Mini Golf.
Here we go, we got our liner in, working on rocking.
Don't call it a comeback. So Ryan and I are at Water's Edge Mini Golf, putt-putt, whatever you prefer. Guys started this one a little while ago, and then we got 14 inches of rain this weekend, so we'll pump this back out, start rocking this in, and yeah, stay tuned. SS Ponce on the move.
Where's that going?
Can't tell. Slow down. Starting to get a rock here. We got the fall boxes hooked up, skimmers hooked up, Hootie and the Blowfish is hooked up, and we're just building. So it's getting interesting over here because Ryan has picked a giant frame rock, and it's been a giant pain. Let's make the strap shorter.
Yeah, go get the strap.
Trying to get this guy. Trying to get this guy, who's, can't tell, pretty big, and trying to get him next to the fall box over here. So hopefully next shot is it's already there. Ready to go. Governor Wolf coming out to make sure that we're social distancing properly while working, following the proper protocols. And we would do nothing less at Ponce. So as promised, very large frame rock put in there. No trouble at all. Can we rock? What's up, Doc? Shout out to Shaq.
I'm the hooper, viper, protected by viper.
Aquascape, living the aquascape lifestyle. No nonsense. Shaq getting aquascape pond built by Whitstock coming up soon. Everybody knows.
I love my job.
Okay, we got an early start today. Met Ryan's shop at like 4:58. And we're out at the job since it's closed commercial area, we can start as early as we want. Working on getting the skimmer plumbed in, getting this all done, get lights in, and yeah, hoping for a real good day here.
Dancing on a rainbow. Find me from the inside. Get me right. Get me right.
All right, we are still rocking, but things are coming together here. Checking our heights with the zip, making sure that everything's above water level. Coming around here, Ryan's swinging them all over. We gotta do a little bit in here, maybe a little in there, and then get these edges right, and then we'll be rolling along here. All right, we're back doing some tweaking on the old mini golf pond. Then we can carry their stone through here, so we're not doing tons around the edges. So we're just finishing off our tops, hiding the box a little bit of pebble, clean her up. So imagine you're playing some putt-putt, a little bit of mini golf, and you hear something up ahead. What do I hear? Sounds like something awesome. Let's investigate. Come up to hole 16, got the cannons up here. That's not what it is. Look at this. You might just skip this hole, scamper down these steps, so you can get a look at this water feature that is not landscaped in, but they're doing that, so excuse us in that. But you might just stop playing golf at that point and sit down right here. They better not put benches here. People might not finish their rounds. You might just sit and think, look at that waterfall. Okay, I'm done. This guy just ran aground over here because he heard there was a water feature, hopped out of his sailboat, came over to see what it's all about.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Just built a sweet little pond out here. Water's Edge mini golf course. Go check it out. Walkway coming in through here. Got to finish up the planting, the mulching, the gravel around the edges. Get the plants in the pond, fish in the pond, set to go. Be back in another week or so, get the final picks.
Do you like me? If you do, please say.